Hi, today we're going to be doing some resistance bands training. We're going to be doing the second workout out of the 6 series workouts that we have, okay? And what I'll do is, we're not going to do a full training session. All we're going to be doing today is going through each of the moves and explain it as well. And also with the 3 bands, okay? And see if certain body movements we're better using the thicker band and the thinner bands, okay? Let's get started. We'll be doing the push-ups today, the face pull, internal, external rotations, chest fly, and the tricep push down, okay? So we'll be doing these, introducing these few moves. So first of all, let's start with the push-ups. With the push-ups, for me, the red band's the best one. What we do is we take the band, cross it once, because if we cross it once, we put it on the back, it helps to secure the position a bit better, okay? Better go okay. You can go outside, hit the band outside of the elbows. That's the optimal way. It just gives added resistance. Okay. Obviously, with most push-ups, if you can't do it on your full leg, the full push-up, you can do it on your knee as well. As introduction as well. But obviously, you want to try to get down to the very bottom and then push up. Okay? Face pull. Face pull, I go for the black band. We have a nice ballet pole here. What I was doing normally, I'll be facing your back here, but I'll try to get a bit of angle so you can see. Oh. We put it towards our face, elbows go out. Okay. You can also, apart from the face, there's similar ones, but you can go down a bit lower, or you can also go up a bit high as well. There's some variations that you can change as you make these weekly routines. Okay. Internal, external rotations. The black band is also quite suitable for me. It's optimal a little bit higher up, but we're okay here. Internal rotation. So I've doubled it up here. If you have trouble with the double, just grab a single side. You don't. Then if single side's a little bit too weak, hold down a bit lower. But what you want to try to do is get a full movement. So try to seek a good balance. That's the right hand. Left hand, just jump over. Then for external, it's like a backhand, tennis backhand, single hand. Try to keep your hand straight as possible. And the key is also have good control as well. So don't just rush and pull and then sort of drop it. You want to have good control. With most moves, preferably the very end, hold for a second and then come back. Okay. So you hold a little bit and away. And as you hold it, you can also tighten up your back muscle. This works the side, and you sort of tight, and come back. Tighten, and come back. Tighten, and come back. Okay. Chest fly. Chest fly, this is also more suitable. Let's give the extreme a go. So green, anything that goes around your back over your chest. I'd like to fold over once. Okay, chest flies, front, front. That's a front chest fly. We said we go upper, upper. It's like a 45-degree. Just when you push it back, make sure you sort of keep it below your back scapular bone. We're pushing up so it doesn't slip up. Then also all going downwards. This works the lower chest. And as you go, each one you can take variations of it as well. Okay, so extreme band gives you a good solid workout. And then the tricep push down. Tricep push down is, I don't have the right thing to do tricep push down here, but what we can do is you can kneel down because this bar is only up here. If you had something higher, would be better. And we're working in triceps as we go. So the key is we want to keep everything above the elbow stable, and we're just moving the lower arm. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so these are a set of moves that we use for our second workout, and we do 1 minute of each, normally 45 seconds of exercise, 15 minutes rest, and then we move to the next band. You can keep the same level band, or you can level up and go to a stronger band as you do each set. Okay, so 3 sets, triple X, and how about you give it a go, okay?